Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video guys, we'll be talking about one of the most underrated and intelligent trading strategies in crypto. This is called the Bybit spread trading. So guys, if you have ever wondered how the probe make money in sideways markets or hedge against volatility works, then this video is definitely for you. First up guys, what is spread trading? Let's start with the basics. Spread trading involves opening two positions at the same time, that is simultaneously, with one long and the other short on the same asset but across different contracts. I will explain. For example, guys, you could trade BTC perpetual futures against BTC quarterly futures. Remember, you are not betting or trading on whether Bitcoin goes up or down, but rather you are betting or trading on how the price difference between the two contracts, which is the spreadsheet, will change. So guys, let's say BTC Perpetua is trading at $100,700 and BTC Quarterly is trading at $100,900. The spread between them, or the difference between them, is about $200. So guys, this is it. If you believe the spread or difference will increase, you go long on the first and short on the second. However, if you believe it will shrink, then you short the first one and you long the second. As simple as that, guys. And so guys, here are three key reasons why you should use spread trading. First up, spread trading reduces your exposure to the overall market swing. This is what we call the market neutral. Next up, spread trading are great for managing risks in volatile conditions. These are perfect hedging tools. And finally, guys, spread trading are perfect when the market is stuck in a range. This is what we call the profit in sideways markets. So yeah, it's a low risk and high precision method used by smart traders or users just like you. So guys, here are common strategies and how to profit with spread trading. So guys, with all that being said, once you're on your Bybit home interface that looks exactly like so, for you to be able to locate the spread trading, the next thing you need to do is to navigate to the trade section just like so. So once you're on the trade section, you look down a bit and you can see what we call the spread trading. You click on it. Once you click on spread trading, it automatically brings you up to an interface that looks exactly like so. So guys, once you're on the spread trading interface that looks exactly like so, looking at the top left hand corner, you can see the spread trading. You can either trade on BTC, Ethereum, or the Solana. So here we'll be taking an example from the BTC. Looking down here, guys, you can see that you can trade BTC Perpetua against spot simultaneously. So to view the differences, you can either click here just like so and you can place an order. Remember, you can either place a limit order or a market order. So if you're trading BTC Perpetual against BTC Quarterly, then you can choose from here. As you can see, this expires in 6th of June 2025. So you can also click here just like so to check out the price differences, and you can either buy or sell just like I have explained earlier on this video. So if you're selling, then you can remember to make use of limit order or the market order. I always advise you make use of your market order. So guys, once you are satisfied with your order, either you're buying or you're selling, then you can input the quantity you want. Then you can either sell here or you buy here. And once you do that, guys, the order automatically reflects on your positions. So once you click on positions and open up your positions, you can see all your positions here. And remember, guys, your realized P and L will also be displayed. And here, guys, you will simultaneously see that two positions will be open for the perpetual and the quarterly trading. And so guys, that is how you manage your trading experience on the spread trading on Bybit. So guys, if you have any questions so far, feel free to leave it in the comment section. I will be actively available to respond. So guys, it's a wrap. Spread trading is simple, strategic, and seriously powerful when used correctly. Whether you're looking to reduce risks, hedge your portfolio, or just take advantage of market influences, this strategy has a lot to offer. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you get notified each time I create an amazing content just like so. I still remain your virtual assistant Gideon and see you in my next video.